Realme Narzo 60 series announced the Narzo 60 and Nazro 60 Pro are the latest devices to launch in India. The Pro model is nearly identical to the recently launched Realme 11 Pro, with the only differences being the back design and the added 1 TB storage option. Nazo 60 is just a rebranded Realme 11 for the India market. Narzo 60 Pro features a curved 6.7-inch AMOLED with FHD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Narzo 60 dials back to a 6.43-inch AMOLED with the same FHD plus resolution but a slower 90Hz refresh rate. Both new phones are equipped with MediaTek chipsets. A Dimensity 7050 on the Pro and a Dimensity 6020 in the Narzo 60. The big addition on the Pro model is the 1 TB storage option, which is paired with 12 GB RAM. Around the back, Narzo 60 Pro packs a 100 MP main cam with an f/1.75 aperture, 26mm lens and noise. The other module on the back is a 2 MP macro cam. Narzo 60 dials back to a 64 MP main cam and a 2 MP depth unit. Both Narzo 60 phones boot Realme 4.0 based on Android 13 and pack 5000 mAh batteries, though the Pro model charges it up 67W, while the non-Pro is capped at 33W. Realme Narzo 60 and 60 Pro come in Mars Orange and Cosmic Black colors. Narzo 60 starts at INR 17,999 for the base 8/128GB trim and goes up to INR 19,999 for the 8/256GB version. Nazro 60 Pro starts at INR 23,999 for the 8/128GB trim. There is a 12/256GB version for INR 26,999, while the 12GB RAM and 1 TB storage model tops out at INR 29,999. Pre-bookings for the Narzo 60 series in India start on July 6 at 1 p.m. via Realme Online Store and Amazon India. Open sales are scheduled for July 15.